Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you stick around and subscribe for more. Today it feels like summer because we're reviewing a summer collection. So let's get started. Ooh. Oh yeah. So like I said, today we're going to be testing out Kylie Cosmetics Summer Collection 2019. Guys, I have to be honest, I did not get the whole collection because one, money does not grow on trees, and two, everything in the collection I just didn't want and I knew that I wasn't going to wear it. So I just got the things that I was intrigued by and that I wanted to try out, and things that at the end of the day I know that I'm going to wear. So yeah. So the first item that we have is the Under the Sea eyeshadow palette. This retails for $42, which makes each eyeshadow in there around $3.50, and this is what it looks like. It's honestly really beautiful, and it's a really good palette. It has like the mattes, it has shimmers and metallics, so I think it's a good palette for the summer. However, I know, yes, that price tag is a little up there, so we'll test it out, guys. I'll test it out for you guys and let you know if it's worth your $42. So one thing that I experienced with this while shopping for these things was something that I also experienced with KKW Beauty. They do not list the ingredients of their products on their website. At least I did not find them until I received the items. I found that they're on the back of the box, but they're in super small print, like you can barely see it. And I know that a lot of people don't really care about ingredients and don't really look into them, but there's also a lot of people that do and want to know what's in the products that they're putting onto their face. So I just think that it would be nice if they would have it on their website so people can read it, because you never know. Again, someone could be allergic to something, and you know, like you literally have to buy the item and get it or receive it and then find out if you can use it or not if you're allergic to something. And if you are, then you have to like go through the process and hassle of sending it back. But whatever, like all I'm saying is that it would be nice if they could put it on the website. This packaging is pretty awesome, honestly. I feel like she didn't add any extra unnecessary packaging to the palette. I feel like the space was used evenly. Also, it does feature a nice big mirror in here, which I always like for palettes to have. And then these are the eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and swatch all of them and see how the color payoff is and just how much pigmentation these eyeshadows really have. Next up, we have her shimmer eye glazes. So apparently these are like a new thing or new technology for Kylie Cosmetics. She did come out with 4 different colors. I only got one, but I will put up the 4 colors up on the screen right now so you guys can check them out. I will also go ahead and put up the information about this new technology that these apparently have in them. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and let's go ahead and swatch this bad boy up. This honestly looks so pretty. It is glittery, so honestly, if you don't like glitter, don't even try it with this. It can get messy, I feel, but it honestly looks so pretty. But at the same time, I feel like the palette already has some really good shimmers and metallics in it, so I don't understand why you guys need to go purchase her shimmer eye glaze if you already have some really good shades in the palette. I get it, like it's a new thing for Kylie Cosmetics, new technology, but also like, do you really need to spend more money on this? Also, this retails for $20, but for some reason mine came out for $10. I did place the order through her Kylie Cosmetics app, so I don't know if there was like a discount through the app or I don't know what happened, but I did get mine for $10, but I checked the website and it's $20 on there, so I don't know, guys. Anyways, one last thing, I got mine in the shade Deep Sea Dreams, and I feel like out of the 4 shades of the shimmer eye glazes, this is the only one that is not a color that's close enough to anything in the palette, whereas the other 3 colors, I feel like you can already find them in the palette, if that makes any sense. So just keep that in mind, but also if you want it, then go get it. You want it, go get it, right guys? And last but not least, I got one of her lip blushes in the shade Bikini Bod. Honestly, the reason why I got this was because when I saw it, I was like, wow, that literally looks like the natural tint of my lips. As you guys can see, it's pretty pinky red, and I'm always looking for a lip color that can look like my lips, but like better. So now that I'm seeing it here, you guys can see it's pretty much the exact same color. So I'm super excited to try this out. Also, this is another thing in the collection that apparently has a new formula. I'm excited to test it out because I have many of her liquid lipsticks or liquid lip kits, whatever you call them. And I like her lip liners, but the actual liquid lip, like, it just cracks on my lips and I can just never figure out how to make it not crack. This retails for $16. So guys, yes, Kylie Cosmetics ain't got no drugstore price tag. So if you want to splurge, then I am here to let you know if any of these things are worth your money. So now let's go ahead and swatch this bad boy and see how it goes. I'm also going to give you some more information about this new technology. It honestly feels a lot more buttery and lighter than the regular liquid lipsticks. The apparent new formula says that it dries down to a diffuse matte powder finish with soft focus powders to make lips look smooth and even. It's non-drying and comfortable. I'm definitely super excited to test this one out, and let's just hope that everything that said is true and it doesn't crack. But now let me go do my makeup and I'll be right back when I'm ready to do the eyeshadow and all that stuff. So I'll be right back, guys. So to start off, I'm just gonna take like a fluffy blending brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics and it's their V5. And I'm just gonna take the color Sure About You. Sure About You, this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply it all over the lid. Now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. This is also from BH Cosmetics. It actually came in a set that looks like this. It's like a quartz or something like that. And I'm going to take the shade Welcome Aboard and I'm just going to apply it to my crease and start defining the crease. Now I'm going to take that same brush and go into the shade My Treasure right here. And I'm going to apply that to the outer part of my crease. Now I'm going to take my finger and go into Salty Sweet, which is like a bronzy, shimmery shade. And I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lid. This is the part that I get to go into the Shimmer Eye Glaze, and this is Deep Sea Dreams. And I'm just going to take a flat brush like this one, and I'm going to apply it to the inner part of my lid. The brush is not really picking up as much product, so I think I'm going to go ahead and take my finger and just apply it to that same area. Now I'm gonna go back with that small blending brush and back into My Treasure, which is this deep brown, and I'm just gonna blend that crease part. To finish it off, I'm gonna go in with that same brush that we used, the first one that we used, and I'm just gonna clean up like above the or around the brow bone and make sure that everything is blended out. Okay guys, so this is what I have at the moment. I like it. It's nothing too creative, too crazy. It's definitely very me. But again, this is what I came up with. So now let me go finish off my makeup and then I'll be right back to finish off the look. That made no sense. Let me go put on some falsies, do my concealer, and then I'll be right back to finish off the look. Okay guys, so I am ready. Look at me. Everything is definitely coming together and I'm starting to really like the way everything is turning out. So now I want to finish off my lips and then also my lower lash line. So for my lower lash line, I'm actually going to take that same fluffy brush that we've been using for pretty much everything. And I'm just going to dip it into Welcome Aboard and blend it out around my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm just going to dip it into Abandoned Ship, which is this coral shade, and I'm going to start packing it onto the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go into Sea Pearl with that same pencil brush and I'm going to apply it to my inner corner. Now let's do the lips. I'm just going to quickly line them with my favorite lip liner. This is from Buxom and it's in the shade Hush Hush. And now we're just gonna apply the lip blush, and this is in the shade Bikini Bod. Okay, so this is the final look. I honestly love the way it turned out. So now let me give you my final thoughts on everything that we tried out today. The first item is the Under the Sea eyeshadow palette. So I honestly really enjoyed using this palette. I think it's a great palette for the summertime. Now the price tag is a little up there, but granted, we are paying for Kylie Jenner for her name to be on the box, so I get it, but it is a really, really good palette, so I definitely would recommend this one. I will say though, if you don't like eyeshadows that have a little bit of kickback, then you won't enjoy the matte shades in this one because they do have quite a bit of kickback. Nonetheless, all of them are pretty pigmented and they're buttery, and the shimmery shades are honestly beautiful. So I would definitely 100% recommend this palette. Up next, we have her shimmer eye glaze. I got mine in the shade Deep Sea Dreams. Honestly, this is really, really pretty, but it's really messy also, and it's kind of just like a product that you don't use every day. So for $20, I don't think you would get the use out of this as you would think. So if you're looking to buy something from this collection, I think the palette is a great investment, but I don't think these are worth $20. Honestly, I'm not that mad about it because I ended up paying $10 for some reason. I don't know why, but I don't think it's worth $20 for this. It's messy, it's too glittery, it looks pretty, but I think the eyeshadow palette has already some really good shimmery and metallic shades in it, so I don't think you need this one. Last but not least, we have the lip blush, which I got mine in the shade Bikini Bod, and honestly, the reason why I got it was because I was looking for something that was super close to my lip color, and I really, really like it. Also, I'm super impressed with this new formula because it's super comfortable to wear, it's lightweight, and I'm not scared to move my lips without thinking, oh my god, is it gonna crack, is it not gonna crack? So yes, I would totally recommend this, but I don't think you need to spend $16 on this because the formula seems to be a little similar to the NYX liquid lip shades, the ones that come like in the small. I will put up a picture of them right here. I forgot what they're called, but the formula is pretty similar to them. And then I also have these other ones that are from the UK. It's a UK brand, and the formula is also super similar to that. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments if you purchased this collection, or if you want to buy it, or if you've tried it and you don't like it or you do like it. Let me know. Also, what do you think about this makeup look? Because for a second there I was like, whoa, where are you going with this? Because I got scared for a second, guys. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe because it's free and it's a fun time. So until next time, bye guys.